My name is Jabal and I would like to briefly tell you why what I show here is different than everywhere else. Most gurus out there just show you how to get an affiliate link, spam it everywhere, and if you get lucky, someone buys from you. The reality is, 98% of people who want to make money online do this type of business and make a maximum of 5k every year. That is 400 per month. That is less than working in McDonald's basically. The other 2% make thousands, to not say millions per month, just by doing the right stuff. Here, I don't teach you how to spam links, I just guide you on how to be an entrepreneur, build a business, and become the top 2%. Excited? Great, because I am too. Visit my website, get my free advice, and learn how you can change your life right now.